Okay, so you join us here on Monday morning at RedClean. It's another sunny day. We're going to start the week off with a site visit to see a roof. It's a listed property, so there's quite a few risks involved. It's a very heavily mossed roof, so as always, we'll pop down there, we'll have a look, and yeah, it's another start of a busy week at RedClean. So let's go. Another nice day for a drive, making the most of the last bit of sun that we are probably due to have this year. So not too far away from MK today, down towards Berkhamsted, so not a bad drive. As I've said that, we've now been brought up a single file dirt track. And the aircon still doesn't work, so it's absolutely void. When we get to the property as well, it's on quite a large estate by all accounts, so always a case of meeting the property manager. We'll have a walk around, and yeah, it'd be good to see the estate in real life. Almost there, so let's go and take a look. So we'll take a walk around this way. Access-wise, we would be using the mobile platforms, so the mobile towers. So there's plenty of access to get those around the property. Get around the back. Again, plenty of room to safely reach all areas of the roof. Make a nice apple pie around here as well. So yeah, you can see the tiles are quite delicate. They can certainly be quite fragile. Some have been replaced over time, which isn't surprising with how old the property is. But again, access-wise, no problems at all. I mean, the gutters themselves aren't actually too bad, so yeah, let's head down. So yeah, we're on our way back now. We had a good look. It's slightly different to what I thought I'd be having a look at. The condition of the roof actually wasn't in too bad a nick at all, as you'll probably see from the footage. You know, I'm sure that's been cleaned at some point previously. There's still plenty of work that we can obviously do there. Property manager was actually double booked, I think, or pulled into another meeting as well, so sometimes that happens. So nobody there to actually meet other than the trades working inside, but yeah, we can obviously speak to them as soon as we're back and try and move things forward.